Dan Marvin is a practicing Christian apologetic who uses presuppositionalist apologetics. He shares his arguments for the Abrahamic God of Christianity on YouTube channels that discuss Christian apologetics. In my conversation with him, he continues to reiterate that knowing the source of morality is key in giving an account for morality. I disagree with this view. I, on the other hand, contend that understanding the purpose of morality is essential to having knowledge of its ontology. Again, I repeat, understanding the purpose of morality is essential to having knowledge of its ontology. This is called providing an account for morality. A person having knowledge of its creator does not demonstrate that such person understands the purpose of the idea. For instance, one can know who wrote the Constitution, but lack the understanding of the purpose of the Constitution. A daughter can know that their mother invented a new type of computer program and lack the understanding of the program's purpose. Therefore, I do not understand why Dan Marvin thinks it is essential to the ontology of morality to know the source of morality.